Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable price alerts on Bitget Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, initially what you guys have to do is simply click on the top left button right here, that is apps. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But initially what you guys have to do is simply click on the top section right here. Just click right here on the side, and then you will be redirected to the user center. Well, from here, do note that you can change lots of things right here, as you can see. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here called as notification. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, as you can see, you can change the notification settings. And right here under app push notification, you can see something called as price alert, and it is already toggled on. In case you do not have this toggled on, simply click on this button, and as such you will have enabled price alerts for your Bitget wallet. Well guys, that is it. That's how you enable price alerts on Bitget wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.